Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I'm coming to you with a challenge. This challenge is entitled the Spring DIY and Decor Challenge of 2018. It's hosted by Christina of the DIY Mommy. In this video, of course, is self-explanatory. You have to purchase something and make a DIY for your spring decor. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with, guys, stick around. Okay, guys, this is how my decor turned out. Now, I will show you what I purchased. Okay, the items that I purchased were, one, I saw these eggs here in a bag at Goodwill, and I made me this garland to hang on my fireplace. I like the eggs. The garlands that I saw, the colors wasn't quite what I wanted, but when I ran across this bag at Goodwill for $1, I grabbed it and made this beautiful garland that's hanging on my fireplace mantle. The other items I purchased were these eggs. As you see these eggs, I purchased 2, and I purchased them at Hobby Lobby, and I adhered them to these candlesticks. Similar to the ones I saw at, I saw some similar at Pier 1 and some also at Hobby Lobby, but they wasn't the color I wanted and they wasn't the height that I wanted. So I purchased these eggs, and these eggs I believe were $9, but it had a 40% coupon, so that was wonderful. So I got the 2 eggs and I adhered them to the candlesticks and put them in my lanterns on my fireplace. So here are my DIYs, the garland, and the eggs on the stands in the lanterns. I wanted something simple this year for my mantle, to make it look more festive, and I think I accomplished that. So I hope you enjoyed my short video, and if you're not already a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please hit that subscribe button down below and become a family member. And also, you can click that button up the top in the right, the bell. The bell will give you notifications of when I upload a video. So again, as I always say, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying, you guys be blessed.